Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover lost data on AWS, full guide step by step clearly. To recover lost data on AWS, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the service that you were using when the data was lost, such as S3, EC2, or RDS. For S3, check the Deleted Items section to see if your data is still retrievable through simple restoration. Select the bucket where your deleted file was stored. Click on the Properties tab and look for the Versioning section. If versioning was enabled, you can view previous versions of the file. Choose the version you want to restore and click Restore. For EC2 instances, check the Snapshots section. Identify the most recent snapshot of your instance. Select the snapshot and create a new volume from it. Attach the new volume to an existing EC2 instance to access your lost data. For RDS databases, navigate to the Snapshots tab and review your database snapshots. Identify the latest automated or manual snapshot that predates your data loss. Select the snapshot and restore it to create a new instance. After restoring, you can connect to the new instance to retrieve your lost data. If you've enabled AWS Backup, check the backup plan configured for your resources. Navigate to the AWS Backup service and review your backup vault for previous backup. Select the appropriate backup and initiate a restore process. Monitor the progress of the restore operation through the AWS Backup console. Once completed, access your resources to verify the recovery of your lost data. In case of any issues, consult the AWS documentation for troubleshooting guidelines. Consider implementing preventive measures to avoid future data loss, such as regular snapshots or enabling versioning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.